Good morning. It is Friday, May 8th, and today we are going to find arcs and angles dealing with interior angles using 2VA equals arc plus arc. So yesterday we dealt with exterior angles with arcs and angles. Today we're going to deal with interior angles. So let's talk about what all these things mean, and then we'll go through some examples. There should be another very short lesson. All these lessons are very short lessons. It's just about knowing the rule and then applying it. So we're just gonna, do what we gotta do to get through all of them. So with interior angles, notice what we have here are vertical angles. And that will always be the case when you have interior angles in a circle. So these are my vertical angles. And those vertical angles intercept these arcs. So the rule is 2 times one of the vertical angles equals arc plus arc. That's it. So whenever you have arcs and angles involved and we're dealing with interior angle, the rule is 2VA equals arc plus arc. 2 times a vertical angle equals arc plus arc. So I see arcs and angles. It's interior, it's not exterior, there's no outside piece. So it's 2VA equals arc plus arc. The vertical angle in this example is x. The two arcs are 50 plus 100. From here, I just do the algebra. And when I solve it, I get 75. So understand, because they're vertical angles and vertical angles are congruent, they're both 75. Let's skip to number 3. I see arcs and angles. They're interior, so it's 2VA equals arc plus arc. So the vertical angle in this example is 60. The arcs are x and 40. I'm not multiplying them, I'm adding them, arc plus arc. From here, I do the algebra. 120 equals x plus 40. And I solve it. And I get 80. Again, when I have arcs and angles and they're interior angles, 2VA equals arc plus arc. You substitute the values in from there, and you're good. I'm just going to, let's see, the little twist on number 5. So in number 5, I see arcs and angles. So I know I'm going to use 2VA equals arc plus arc since everything's inside. Now here's the twist on number 5. These arcs correspond to these vertical angles. I don't have them. This 100 is not the vertical angle that corresponds to those arcs. But, good old linear pair there, I can do 180 minus 100 to get 80. So that one has to be 80. So make sure that your vertical angles correspond to the arcs. So 2VA, the vertical angle is 80. Since 80 is the vertical angle that corresponds to the arcs we're dealing with, equals arc plus arc is x plus 50. And from there, I do the algebra. And I get x equals 110. So that's all there is to it. When I have arcs and angles involved with interior angles, my rule is 2VA equals arc plus arc. I substitute into that, and I'm good. VA, of course, standing for vertical angles. Your classwork / homework. is to finish the worksheet, and you're going to have a quiz due on, I'll make it due on Monday night, but, it should be done real quick. That's all I got for you. Any questions, reach out to me. Remind, again, with arcs and angles, dealing with interior angles, 2VA equals arc plus arc. Any questions, reach out to me. Remind. Have a great weekend.